Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today went to the local hobby shop and they had some of these older Heritage and Minor League hobby boxes for a really good price. So I picked up a 2019 and a 2018. I'll do the 2018 one in a separate video. So let's go ahead and open this. I think this was $60. So I'm a big fan of the Heritage Minor League stuff because you're guaranteed an autograph, which are on-card autographs, and these particular years, like 2016 through 20, the minors I think have been really loaded with a lot of great prospects. So I think you can get some nice rookie cards from these guys, and the cards look nice since they're Heritage. Set that there. Got a box topper, Super Baseball. And it is Joey Bart. I don't think I have that card, so it's a nice little bonus there. Alright, so I believe you get one on-card autograph, and one memorabilia card per box. I'm going to show the pack odds. I haven't opened one of these for quite a while. They're always fun. Alright, so we got Julio Rodriguez, Alex Kirilloff, Christian Robinson, got Casey Mize, fresh on the scene, got Brendan Rodgers, Matt Vierling, Bo Naylor, and Lyon Richardson. What's really cool, like as we just looked at those, almost all these guys are top 100 prospects now. So you get a lot of great cards. We got Justin Dunn, Tim Tebow, Jordan Groshans, Colton Welker. We got Alex Faedo, Connor Pilkington, Abraham Toro, Jose Suarez. Also, what I found is I usually get about 3 short prints per box. I'm thinking the short prints are the cards numbered over 200. Got Mitch Keller, Austin Beck, Logan Allen. There's Alec Bohm. That's a nice card there. Ooh, got something backwards. Got Drew Waters, Spencer Howard, Brock Deathrage. Somebody on the Rail Riders, Michael King for the Yankees. There's the Alec Bohm. And that one is 99 out of 99. Last one stamped. Let's see if we got any short prints out of this pile here. So those are already really cool cards, and we haven't even found a short print yet. So we got Parker Meadows, J.B. Bukauskas, the batting leaders, Grant Levine, Jared Kelenic, Fantastic Feats, Brian Abreu, Nate Pearson, that's a really good prospect, and Dalton Varsho. We got Braylon Marquez, Mateo Gil, Nick Madrigal, Davy Garcia, Jesus Sanchez, we got Austin Riley, Logan Gilbert, Adonis Medina. Kevin Smith, AJ Puck, Jordan Adams, Andres Jimenez, Mackenzie Gore, got Bo Burrows, Matt Manning, Luis Garcia. Every so often we'll go through and look, see if we got any of the short prints. So those are all just the regular print. Got Royce Lewis, Sporting News. Dylan Cease, Telmito Augustine. Trevor Larnett, fresh on the scene. Ryan McKenna, Dustin May, Taylor Trammell, Ethan Hankins. Got Ryland Bannon, Eric Pardino, Travis Swaggerty. This is one of the scratch-offs for the Trash Pandas. Make your pro debut. Julio Pablo Martinez. Ooh, there's a nice one. Luis Robert. Very cool. That one actually looks very well centered too. So I might end up sending that one in to get graded. Jordan Yamamoto and Denier Reyes. Oh, these packs want to stick to me. Got Kyle Mueller. Whoa. Got a Dustin May coin card. Those are cool. A nickel in there. Genuine 1970 U.S. coin. He's a good pitcher too. And Alejandro Kirk. That's 94 out of 99 on the nickel. So that's a cool relic hit there. I like the coin cards. Now we should be just looking for an auto at this point. Gavin Lux, there's another nice rookie, or pre-rookie. Zach Collins, Izzy Wilson, Jared Kelenic, Sandro Fabian, Edward Cabrera, Terso Ornelas, and Freudis Nova. Anthony Siegler, Leody Taveras. Excited for him this next year. He did pretty good for the Rangers last year. Added a lot of spark to the team, I think, even though they're bad. But when he was out there, he was always definitely interesting to watch. Brian Capusano, Victor Mesa, Khalil Lee, Joe Jacques, Jonathan Ornelas, and MJ Melendez. So we got Dalsable, Arias, Sean Murphy, Dane Dunning. That's the guy that we picked up from the White Sox for the Rangers. Got a backwards card. Victor Mesa, Genesis Cabrera, Alex Kirilloff, Israel Pineda. This might be our autograph. Fisher Cats. It's not. Actually, this is a flip stock. If you can see, okay, if you look at the glossiness of this card compared to this one, how it's matte finish, this is flip stock. In the back, yeah, the back is glossy instead of the matte. So these are actually out of 5. They're not individually numbered though. So that's a pretty cool little hit. That's a pretty good box. Royce Lewis, Cal Mitchell, Hans Kraus, Joe Adele, Keibert Ruiz. We got Matthew Liberatore, Jazz Chisholm, and pitching leaders. Yeah, you can spot that. Let's see if I can get the light to shine off of it. Yeah, you can kind of see it. You can spot that flip stock pretty easy if you look at it with the light. Don't know much about Kevin Smith. The Keibert Ruiz is a short print though. I'll show you that card. Oh, I'm gonna put the flip stock over here too. I lost it. There it is. That one was a short print. Keibert Ruiz. Okay, we got Dean Kramer, Ryan Weathers, Connor Capel, Pedro Castellanos, Calvin Biggio. That's a short print too. Will Stewart, Isaac Paredes, and Joey Bart. Miguel Amaya, Casey Golden, Nolan Gorman, Daz Cameron, Ronaldo Hernandez, and that was a short print. Darian Cruz, Sean Higeli, and Evan White. Got Jeter Downs, runs leaders, Adam Haseley. There's our autograph, Rylan Bannon. Pretty cool. I think he's Orioles. It's not numbered or anything. There's our on-card auto. Christian Santana, Ronnie Mauricio, Casey Mize, O'Neal Cruz. Chad Spangenberger, Osvaldo Duarte, Bryce Turang, Jake McCarthy, Jared Kelenic. That's not a short print. ERA leaders, Joey Wentz, and saves leaders. And the last pack, Ryan Mountcastle, Esteury Ruiz, Tristan Casas, another one of these things, Vidal Brujan, Gabriel Cancel, William Contreras, and Jahmai Jones. So I don't have that blue numbered card handy, but I did get this little thing sticking to my finger. Got Rylan Bannon for the Orioles on-card auto. Got Ronaldo Hernandez short print, Calvin Biggio short print, Keibert Ruiz short print. This flip stock out of 5, Kevin Smith, and a really cool coin relic, Dustin May out of 99. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.